Welcome back to another episode of Another Day, Another Opening naman tayo guys. So, meron tayong Mobile Legends Kayu. I think official to ng Kayu. So, gradable yata to. See kung ano yung mapupul natin. Binigyan tayong isang box kasi marami yung binili natin packs. 59 pesos per pack lang siya guys. So, bumili tayong... Hindi ako bumili ng isang box kasi asa 999 yata, 1k isang box. So ito na lang per pack. Di ko alam kung meron sure hit kada box. Gusto ko lang kasing itry. If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos, or you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya. Ready game start here in Tarlac. So puro pangit yung nakukuha natin guys. Walang shiny. Kaya ayan, speed up na lang. Mukhang ito na yung pinaka-hit.
Bruh.